Now, the next topic from Principles of Plant Life is imbibition. Imbibition, it is the type of diffusion by which movement of water takes place along the diffusion gradient. In this process, the swelling of colloidal materials is observed. For example, swelling of wooden doors and windows during the rainy season, which is a very common occurrence that we observe, is because of imbibition. In imbibition, there is a absorption as well as adsorption. Absorption means absorption of water inside, and adsorption means water molecules adheres on the surface of colloidal particles. Now, how we can define this imbibition? Imbibition, simply it can be defined as absorption of liquids by solid particles of substances without forming solution. Here the liquids, they are absorbed by solid particles, but there is no formation of solution. So that phenomena what we call imbibition. The imbibition process happens because a specific pressure is created by imbibing particles, and this pressure is called imbibition pressure. So this imbibition pressure, it is responsible for increasing the volume of imbibant, what is called imbibition pressure. Then the mechanism of imbibition. For example, when we put the dry seeds in water, a strong water potential gradient is established between seed cells and the surrounding water medium. So it allows rapid movement of water through seed surface. And imbibition of water into the seeds continues until equilibrium. Until equilibrium is maintained, the water from surrounding enters into the seed cells. Secondly, for imbibition, two conditions are necessary. What are these two conditions essential for imbibition? First condition is water potential gradient between surface of absorbent and the liquid to be imbibed. So there should be the difference between water potential gradient between the surface of the absorbent, that is imbibant, and the liquid imbibed or the water imbibed. Second condition for the imbibition is affinity between absorbent and imbibed liquid. Means the imbibing liquid, for example water, and absorbent, for example seeds or dry wood, they have, we know they have affinity. So the water gets absorbed on the surface of wood or wooden windows, or the dry seeds, when they come in contact with the liquid water, then the dry seeds start swelling. So this is what we say because of affinity between this absorbent and the imbibant liquids. Then what is the importance or significance of this phenomena of imbibition? Why this imbibition is to be studied? What is its role? What is its importance in the life of plant? The major significance of imbibition is the seed germination. For example, when the dry seeds put into the moist soil, then the they imbibe water and they get swelling. So large pressure is developed due to imbibition, which leads to bursting of the seed coats, and so seed coat breaks, and inside the seed coat the embryo which is having plumule or radicle. This plumule and radicle having meristematic cell, they start dividing and they start to produce the new seedling, new roots and new shoots. So this is very important role played by imbibition, because the germination of seeds in the soil, it happens because of the process of imbibition. Because the dry seeds, when we put them in the dry condition, they will never germinate. But if the dry seeds, we when we put them into the moist soil, within 2 3 days we will observe the seed swell, seed coat breaks, and the plumule radicals starts germinating. So this is the significance of the process of imbibition.